Hey babes, welcome back to JVeauty. Today I was feeling all the fall vibes, so this is what I came up with. If you want to know how I achieved this look, please keep watching. So let's get started. Today I am feeling fall vibes, so we are gonna use fall colors. So like browns, nudes, and I want my videos to be super short, super short. Like main focus, show you guys the makeup look, and that's it. Okay, so I am starting with these two colors. So I am feeling the fall vibes. So we're gonna have a lot of fall looks, hopefully. I'm gonna go in with a stronger color. So I started off with these, and I'm going with these two. So I am using fluffy brushes just to blend. So we're just gonna blend. So we're just packing up the colors. I love fall. It's just the clothes, the boots, the scarves, and you just go back and forth with the same colors. So I do want this look to be more out there, so I will pack it on my eyelid with a dark brown. So now I'm gonna grab another flat brush, and I'm gonna go in with, I'm gonna do brown and like burgundy. So like browns, the dark colors. I love this palette. The browns are just so nice. And then you just tap. I was feeling all the fall vibes today. So I was like, you know what? Let's record a fall look. So we would just want to pack it, and then we can go back with our lighter browns and blend it in. I love these looks because they are just so easy. Not like the cut crease and stuff. I like the cut crease, but you do more. To just throw some color on your eyelids, like so. You just blend it back and forth. You play with the colors. So it's up to you guys how dark you guys want the look. Okay, and that's it. That's pretty much it, literally. I'm gonna bring it up a little bit higher with a very dark brown, almost black. So like these on the bottom. And now blend them in. You can never go wrong with this kind of colors. They just look good with everything you wear, and the blending is so easy. And that's it. That's pretty much it. Then you add eyeliner, your falsies, mascara. Oh, I like that. That's really nice. You don't even have to really add eyeliner if you don't want, but we're going all out today. Because why not? And you just blend it so it's not so you don't have a hard line. We don't want to have hard lines. They just don't look good. But if you like them, hey. But that's it. So I'm just gonna finish the other eye, babe. Eyeliner, my falsies, do my hair, and that's it. But literally, that's it. And we just apply eyeliner. These are gonna be my go-to looks because I'm a mom now. I don't have time to be cut creasing. Hashtag mom life. And then with the same color, the browns, we go in on the bottom of your, on the bottom of your, ay, ¿cómo se llama esto? On the bottom of your eye, no? Let me conceal first. So I'm using my Nick concealer, shade Copper. With my Coyote shade. I like mixing them so they're not too dark. And I'm going in with my darkest brown that I used, so like these on the bottom, to make the look stand out even more. Mix it and then apply it. I'm gonna set my concealer. Poquito mascara underneath on my eyelashes. Black eyeliner underneath. What that mean? Right here for my falsies, you already know. So I knew this look was gonna look like out there and nice, but I didn't think it was gonna look that nice. A lot of fall vibes, like a hot chocolate, a mocha with some galletas. They say that if you use a lighter eyeliner, it makes your eyes look bigger. So I got it from Sephora in the shade Matte. So my final touches, mascara underneath my eyelashes and my bottom eyelashes. I swear I was just going for a simple look. So I am also adding my shimmer teardrop, so favorite one. Ooh. Ooh. That looks nice. No, I seriously didn't even practice this look, babe. I was just like, you know what, let's just record a look, fall look, and yeah, mira, it's better when I don't practice, no? Ooh. That looks really nice. What else am I missing? Yeah. I am using Tarte Pro Glow. So I like adding just a little bit, literally just un poquito. And then tapping it on my nose, and then just to have that nice glow. I was not expecting this look to look this glamorous. So this is the final look. If you're new, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next video.